Google AI Edge uh, app. So this is right now super trending app. So why is that? Because it allows you to use AI offline, completely offline when there is no internet, no cellular, no 3G, 4G, 5G. Just you can download model locally on your mobile, and the model itself is like 3, 4, 5 gigabytes. That's it. So it's not like 500 gigabytes, and then you can just easily use it offline, and that therefore it's quite private, secure, and it's quite fast. It doesn't depend on your internet speed. It's not like it doesn't have the limit of replies. You can use it, I think, unlimitedly, and it has specific models called Gemma 4. So this specific Gemma 4 model, which you have in here. So that's what it is, Google AI Edge. And then here is you have your AI chat. You need to download it, and then you just can try. And this is the model. It just says initializing model. Probably you need to have some kind of newer iPhone, but maybe not. Like it just works. And if I right now go and turn off my Wi-Fi, my cellular, everything, it will still work in here. However, it's not fetching like a web data. So its web data is limited for like 2025 or something. So that's kind of what it is. So yeah, here you see that. So that's just what you have in here. So something like that. And then you have different models, and then you also have different agent skills, which are separate thing, where you can create different agent skill in here. Settings, models, and that's what it is.